What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GI Technology. Currently, we are inside Spintex. We are coming to partition this place. It's a utility area. We just bought a new generator, so we want to partition it. So we are going to put a partition here with a door, and then we're going to do the same thing here. So we're going to put the other one too here. So there's going to be another partition, and there's going to be a door here. Okay, if you have any project for us, make sure you give us a call. We are into fabrication and automation of gates and balustrade, wardrobe rails, anything that has to do with metal. That's our job. Make sure you give us a call. And Accra, Kumasi, Tamale, now we're everywhere. So in the next maybe 2 hours, I'm going to show you the final works. Okay? All right. See you. Guys, so we are done with the partition. As you can see, it's very neat and clean. We are done with it. Just close it here, and everything is done. Come inside, let me show you. This side as well too. We are done with it. You can see with the lock system here. Okay, everything is clean. So if you have any project for us, if you have any partition projects, make sure you give us a call. Like I always say, we are in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale, now we are everywhere in Ghana.